Hi friend, this is us. You're watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we have some affirmative sentences or positive sentences for our present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous, we need to use been, verb first form, ing, and since or for on the condition of the sentences. Has have, as we know that in every perfect tense we use has have, and in the every perfect continuous we need to use been. So let's start and see how this formula is helpful for different sentences when we are in the category of positive sentences for present perfect continuous. लोग सुबह से सैरगाह में आ रहे हैं. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में कोई ऐसा काम है जो कि हो रहा है मुसलसल लेकिन प्रेजेंट में. लोग सुबह से सैरगाह में आ रहे हैं. People, this is our subject. Have, we are using has or have. Been. Coming, verb first form plus ing, coming. To the park. Park is our object. Since morning, so we are using here since. Sometimes we use for. We use since when we know the exact timing. For example, we know morning is the exact, we know this time, so we are using since. If we do not know, then we will use for. खिलाड़ी 4 बजे से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. The players have been playing football since 4 o'clock. So here also we know the exact time 4 o'clock, so we are using here since. बच्चा 2 घंटे से रो रहा है. The child has been weeping for 2 hours. Here we know that we have 2 hours. He is weeping from 2 hours, but we don't know which period of the time of the day he is weeping. This could be 9 to 11 a.m., 9 to 11 p.m., 2 to 4 a.m. or p.m. तालब इलम 4 माह से मेहनत. लड़की 3 दिन से दवाई पी रही है. The girl has been taking medicine for 3 days. We don't know from which month these 3 days lies on. तालब इलम 4 माह से मेहनत कर रहा है. The student has been working hard for 4 months. We don't know which year has these 4 months. So we are using here for. लड़कियां 2 साल से कॉलेज जा रही हैं. The girls have been coming to college for 2 years. यहाँ भी हमें नहीं पता कि ये 2 साल जो हैं ये पिछले हैं या कब के हैं, तो इसीलिए हम for इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. उस्ताद 8 बजे से पढ़ा रहा है. The teacher has been teaching since 8 o'clock. यहाँ पे हमें 8 बजे का पता चल गया, इसलिए हमने since लगा दिया. असगर 15 मिनट से नहा रहा है. असगर has been taking a bath for 15 minutes. हम कई घंटों से आपका इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. We have been waiting for you for several hours. So next we have लोग शाम से सदर का इस्तेमाल करने के लिए जमा हो रहे हैं. People have been gathering to welcome the president since evening. For morning or evening, or when we know the exact time, we know 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., 1960, anything we use since. वो 1982 से इस मकान में रह रहा है. He has been living in this house since 1982. कंजूस 5 साल से एक एक पैसा जमा कर रहा है. The mister has been saving every penny for 5 years. असलम दोपहर से पतंग उड़ा रहा है. Aslam has been flying kites since noon. सब दोस्त मंगल से इकट्ठे सफ़र कर रहे हैं। All the friends have been traveling together since Tuesday. हम कल से वापस जाने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। We have been preparing to go back since yesterday. So this was our present perfect continuous. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.